Right, guys, as you know, Dodge Rebel having these issues. So the problem I had, no start issue, right? So no start issue. What I did was, jump start this thing. It started once, it started twice. Third time was the charm. It messed up something in this fuse box. Show you guys what's happened here. Checked all the fuses. The issue was there's no ground connect going to this 3 relays, which are responsible for your starting and wake up thing. So what I did, there's like 2 slots right there. You ground that to this, bypass it, because I think it burned the, probably have to change the whole board. Instead of doing that, I just bypassed it to save 300 bucks. It works all the time. It's been working for a few days. So far, no fire. Just kidding. It's just the ground, it's not positive, so it won't do anything to it. But did that. Check it out, guys. Check it out. It's not this thing. Well, if you guys think of this thing, it's not this thing. Because I replaced it. Check this out. Oh yeah. Whoa. Bees. There's just bees attacking me, so I'm gonna stay away. Whew, they almost bit me. Look at those. Look at those 2 bastards right there. Ooh, they're angry. Oh my. Well, yep, there it is. I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I'm gonna stay away from them because this bees, I think, will attack me soon. I'm here. All right, take care.